What's happening, everybody? It's boy back with a brand new video today. I'm just kidding, I don't talk like that. But what's up, everyone? It's your boy back with the brand. Wait, let me do my right intro. How's it going, everybody? It's your boy back with a brand new video, and today this light is pissing me off, but it's all good. Alright, so I'm feeling a little better. My nose is twirling, but it's okay. Alright, so basically, today, what I'm going to be doing is, this is going to be, wait, why is it so blurry? It's not good lighting. It's a little boring, but I decided to do it for a part 2. Okay, hold on. First, let me tell you what I'm going to do. So, if you guys, alright, so I'm going to be doing this once in a while, where I snap, or I go like that, and Oreos appear in my hand, but I do not know what flavor they get bought from somebody else. And so yeah, I'm basically gonna hold right here, smash the like button, and that will happen. So ready? Okay, here we go. Abracadabra, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys, I'm not looking. I don't know what flavor this is. You guys know what flavor it is. Hopefully I'm showing the camera. I do not know what flavor this is, but today's flavor is mint. Hey, let's go. Okay, this light is really making me want to go home. Cold, oh, oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I'm good. Yes, I am good. Wait. Okay, no, don't kill me, fam. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna use this. Sorry if I shine that in your guys' eyes. Oh no, it's gonna be like shaking, man. Alright, I'm basically gonna not really shine it in my face, but like kind of. So we're gonna like shine it kind of like that. Alright, so as you can see, today's Oreo flavor is mint. If you guys don't already know, mint, I'm gonna go blind off of this thing, yo. Mint, I like all types of mints. Like I like mint ice cream. Oh, hell yeah. I like a bunch of things, so these look so bomb. Tell me these don't look good. These are not open. Look it. I will literally do this, and I still have to open them. Watch. I will open the bag just to show you guys. Look it. It's still freaking sealed. It's still sealed. I just bought this today. I got it today, so yeah. Oreo. Oh, I wish you guys can smell through the screen right now. It smells like freaking heaven. It will for me because I love mint. Boom. Look at this, you guys. Oreos. Boom. Alright. So, yeah. We're going to try one out. First, we're going to try the actual cookie, or no, we're going to do it reverse. First, I'm not one of those people, though. Just for this, I'm going to eat the little frosting thing, and then after, I'm going to eat the whole cookie. Okay, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Yo, hold on, I'll get back to you guys when it's off. My bad, I'm going to have to eat this off because it won't come off. Yo, let's boom fun. Boom, boom, boom fun. I also like York peppermint patty, so. Well, can I get it off now? I can get it off now. Set those to the side for later. Now I'm gonna eat the full cookie. My lighting device fell. You guys, legit, that tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream, which is my favorite type of ice cream. Yo. Yo, turn the camera off. Bro, I'm eating all of them. I'm just kidding. I'm not eating all of them today. No, I'm just kidding. Logan should come tomorrow, so we should collab off of that. Wow! Hey! Oh! Look at oh! 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 Wow! Oh! Wow! Hey! 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 Yo! Oh! Damn, Art. I was just doing that because, I don't know. So, these are definitely good. Definitely very good. I definitely recommend this. Smash that like button. Oh, my face looks like it has lines in it from it. Smash that like button for part 2. And comment down below Oreo flavors, not too crazy, because the towns that I can get these in don't have very good flavor. So, picking between maybe birthday cake, like pumpkin pie, like cinnamon roll, those things. And I will try them next. I will see you maybe next week with the new Oreo flavor. Maybe 3 more. Ooh, I don't know. But that was mint chocolate chip. Why did I say mint chocolate chip? I was about to say mint chocolate chip ice cream. That was going to be mint chocolate. Damn it. That is going to be mint. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Mint Oreos. I definitely think that they're delicious. I recommend trying them out. Then, press that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications for video every day, son. And as always, stay true, stay savage, peace.